The QuietCool AFR SMT PRO-2.0 roof mount attic fan offers outstanding power and performance at a very affordable price. Our new generation of the AFR line takes our best roof mount attic fan to the next level with the brand new design. This unparalleled design improves airflow, efficiency, and ease of installation, making the new AFR line the best roof mount attic fan line on the market today. Designed in the USA, this fan comes with a one-piece stamped steel hood with no seams or welds, high-performance fan blades that cut through the air in the most efficient and effective way possible, a 2-speed permanent split capacitor motor for more efficient and effective operation, and a one-piece perforated cylindrical housing with integrated wildlife guard. This housing features a high-quality polyester paint coating that provides premium film integrity and extreme UV protection. This housing also features interchangeable flashings to accommodate different roof types. The AFR includes a primary flashing for installation on shingle roofs. With the optional secondary flashing installed over the primary flashing, the AFR can be installed on a cement tile roof with no fabrication required. The malleable aluminum design allows the secondary flashing to be molded to fit S-tile, M-tile, and many other types of roofs as well. With the removal of the primary flashing, the optional curb flashing can be installed to curb mount the AFR to a flat or low-pitch roof with no fabrication needed. The AFR SMT PRO-2.0 was designed with durability in mind. This design allows our high-quality products to lead the industry with up to a 15-year warranty. And with an included 20-foot power cord, installation is a breeze. Powering this AFR is the QuietCool Smart Control app, which offers the ability to see the attic temperature and humidity levels, manually run the fan, enable smart mode for automatic cooling and ventilation, adjust settings and presets, and more. With our patented smart mode, the fan will innovatively keep the attic within the most ideal temperature and humidity conditions throughout the entire year, without ever having to climb into the hot attic to adjust the thermostat. With the built-in temperature settings, the fan will proactively cool the attic by ramping up the speed of the fan as the attic heats up. This control features the ability to create custom presets for temperature and humidity settings. These presets allow you to tailor your smart attic fan to your specific needs. You can create presets with the proper settings to cool and ventilate your attic in the summer, help prevent ice damming in the winter, and help prevent condensation buildup year-round. This fan pulls fresh outdoor air in through your attic vents, circulates throughout your attic, and then pushes that air back out of your attic automatically. This increased airflow in the attic allows the attic to stay within as low as 10 degrees of the outside temperature in the summer. The QuietCool Smart Attic Fan line is one of the best upgrades you can make in your home and is here to revolutionize how you cool, ventilate, and protect your home.